It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. Let's talk about Billy the Puppet. I got this on Amazon. I think it was right timing. I got it for $224.95, and before I pulled the trigger on it, it was like 3 left, and I said I gotta go ahead and jump on it. So like when I pulled the trigger, 2 days later I got on there and it was sold out from that seller. Now right now they have other sellers, and one of them is going for like $2.99, I think, with $10 shipping, and the other one is like $3.30. So I mean, for $224 free shipping, that's not bad. Okay, so I also bought a Radio Flyer classic red dual deck tricycle on eBay. Now I was trying to find the exact same tricycle that Billy was on the movie Saw. I think that's the old-fashioned one. I can't find it nowhere. So this will do, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Let's go. And it came quick. It came like, I think in three or 4 days. Can't believe it. And when it came in, it was wrapped in a Walmart wrapping. That was weird. Real weird. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. I think it's 48 inches. I think it's 48 inches, y'all. I believe so. It's tall. Oh, scared. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Wait a minute. I think I might like this. Let's see. Wow. Look, y'all. I don't even, this is, wow, this is crazy. Well worth the money, wow. I should have had my top V camera going, but it is all good. Let's start with the feet. Look at the shoes, look at the feet. Look at the, wow, and the arms, look at the arm length. You can bend the arms. Or can you bend the fingers? So you can't bend the fingers, so we're gonna have to be creative when we put them on the tricycle. Okay, so we're gonna have to be creative. Look at the torso. It's well worth the money, y'all. I've seen a few bad reviews on this. Look at bow tie. I just seen the new Saw movie. I believe 2 weeks ago, and I have to say it's one of the best Saw movies I've ever seen. They did a great job. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Put that in the comment section, whoever seen that movie, tell me what you think. I think they did a great job with that movie. Yeah, man. But look at the face. Look at the face, y'all. This, man, look at the hair. Like, they did a great job. The little ones, my little kid's gonna be afraid of this, man. I love it. Maybe I feel different when I go back and look at how he really looks, but I mean, for $224, I mean, suited and booted, man. Look at the hair. Wow. Then it come with like a card. See, it say Saw. Warning, not recommended for children under 17. Okay. They got instructions. Okay. So let's go over to the tricycle, y'all, and see how can we get him on that tricycle. All right, let's go. Look nice. All right, here we go, y'all. What y'all think? Now, I think I did good with the tricycle. I thought his legs weren't gonna be long enough, and everything worked out. The only issue I had, his fingers don't bend, so I had to get some zip ties, and I had to be creative. Where his hand, you see that? Where his hand grips the bars. So, man, y'all take a look at that, man. Pay attention to detail. For $224, man, I did good. I did good. Like I said, it's on there right now for about 300, and that still ain't bad. Wow, amazing, 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 amazing. That is